This cherry laurel had the black fungus covering the underside of every leaf. After 2 soap washes later, this is what it looks like now. Let me show you exactly what I did. This black coating is often called Sooty Mold. It usually isn't attacking the leaf directly. It grows on a sugary residue called honeydew, which comes from insects like aphids or scale feeding on the plant. So before treating, it's worth checking the stems and leaf undersides for any small pests too. I used a few drops of a dish soap per 1 liter of water, and this mild unscented dish soap or insecticidal soap works well because it breaks down the residue without harming the leaf. I applied the solution directly to the affected leaves, focusing on the underside where the mold was thickest. It's best to do this in the early morning or evening, not in direct sun, to avoid leaf burn. After 3 days, the mold was already laid up, but some residue remained, so I gave it a second wash. And here the result. Leaves are clean on both sides. If you see this on your own plants, remember, treat the mold, but also check for the insects causing it, or it will likely come back. Thanks for watching. And now, let me know in the comments if you have dealt with this before.